Hello, and thank you for choosing autotradestar.com. To start auto trading, first click Exchanges and Brokers. After that, over here at the top, click Add Exchange or Broker. Then click Kraken. Now that you've arrived to this screen for inputting API key and private key from Kraken, go to kraken.com. After that, please sign into kraken.com or sign up. After you've done that, go to pro.kraken.com, pro.kraken.com. After you've gone here, go to the top right hand corner, click this button. Next, click Settings. After that, you'll be presented with this page. From the tabs up here, look for API and click API. Now this is where you'll create API keys to input into autotradestar.com. And to create one, you can simply click Create API Key. You can name it whatever you want. I'm going to name this one ATS for Autotradestar Kraken API 1. And checkmark the permissions query open orders and trades, query closed orders and trades, create and modify orders, and cancel and close orders. These are the only permissions you should be checking for every API you're going to link to autotradestar.com. Finally, click Generate Key. Then you'll be provided with an API key and a private key for this API you have just created. Then copy the API key back into AutoTradestar for API key. And then come back to pro.kraken.com and then copy private key from the API you've just generated into autotradestar.com for private key. And you can name this API, this connected API, whatever you want. I recommend naming it the same name that you have on Kraken. So ATS Kraken API 1. Finally, connect Kraken account. And if you've successfully copied the correct credentials, you have now connected your Kraken API that will be trading on behalf of your Kraken account. Now you can close this, and this is the connected API from Kraken. Now you can go to tradingbots and create a trading bot where we can link up this Kraken API. To do that, once you've gone to tradingbots, go to Create Trading Strategy up here. And to name this one, you can name it whatever you want. I'm going to name it MACD after the free bot indicator that you can find on TradingView. And it's going to be a 1-day frequency, so 1D with a stop loss that I can set on AutoTradestar. And for the bot indicators, I recommend doing your own research. There's many bot indicators to choose from, free and purchasable on many third-party bot indicator platforms. TradingView and TrendSpider are one of the many. So I recommend doing your own research to find the best one. And you can also create your own as well. This will not be a custom script. This will be one I found on TradingView. So I'm going to click that. And this is just contextual for your own information. We will be actually connecting the URL generated from this trading strategy later. Then we can go to Link Exchange or Broker. This is the previously linked exchange, Kraken exchange that we just linked. So if we click this will be trading on behalf for this trading strategy. And now that we've clicked it, it displays all our balances in the exchange. And I want to, for this trading strategy, I want to buy Bitcoin with USD. And to do that, I will look for the asset pair XXBTC BTZD, XX, BTZUSD. This is the one. This will buy Bitcoin. I will buy Bitcoin with USD with this one. And I want to buy 0.0001 Bitcoin every time the alert for purchase comes to this trading strategy. And I want the same for sell as well. So I'll put this 0.001 here for sell alert volume. And I also want a very low stop loss percentage. So I'll put 0.0001. Okay, let's click next. Okay, we've successfully created this trading view this trading strategy. Now we can copy these trade alert values that has been generated into your third-party trading bot indicator, where your bot indicators are coming from. And in this case, it's TradingView. So this is the trade alert webhook URL, and this is the message parameters. So if we go to tradingview.com to copy those values into the bot indicator, first we have to set a bot indicator on tradingview.com. And to do that, at the top here, you'll see indicators. If you click this, there's many indicators to choose from, free and purchasable. I recommend doing your own research once again. But for this example, I'm going to choose MACD strategy, one of the free ones on TradingView. And you can search up yourself here, MACD. I just have it favorited. So MACD strategy, once you click that, it should pop up over here. Now that you've done that, go to alert up here with the clock icon. Once you've done that, you can create an alert for Bitcoin, USD. And this is where you set the time frequency, by the way. I set mine for 1 day. 1 day. Now, to make sure it triggers for the MACD strategy, go to condition and choose MACD strategy right here. Expiration, we want it to last a very long time, so pick the very last number here. That's right before it becomes grayed out. And then click set. Alert name, I'm going to name it the same I did on AutoTradeStar, so 1D with stop loss. Now this is the first part. This is where we will copy our values from AutoTradeStar. If we go back to AutoTradeStar, for message parameters, this is the message parameter value we will copy. So if we click copy, go to TradingView and paste here. Now the buy and sell values will come correctly to the URL. And to set the URL, go to notifications, and under webhook URL, this is where you will paste from AutoTradeStar the trade alert webhook URL. So if we copy this, go back to TradingView and paste it here. Now the buy and sell values will go to this URL to make buy and sell purchases on behalf of your Kraken API. Okay, now that we've connected those, we can click create, and you should see over here, it is now active, and it will now be calculating at a frequency of 1 day. And the longer you set it, you should expect the longer for it to send buy and sell alerts. You can pick whatever you want. Once again, I recommend doing your own research on picking the best bot indicators, as we do not recommend any. This is just for this example. Now, one last step is you'll see that it is ready. That means that the buy and sell alerts coming into this trading strategy will not actually trigger any buy and sell orders yet, because it is ready. To do that, you must enable it. And after you've agreed with the terms of use and copy and pasted the values, you can enable. And now that we've enabled it, you'll see that it is a light green with the ear. When the first value comes in, it'll turn into a dark green with a check mark, indicating that this strategy has received its first alert. And in the meantime, before it has gotten its first auto buy alert, you can buy in the meantime or disable it. And that's how you link your bot indicator to Autotrade Star to trade on behalf of your Kraken API or exchange. More exchanges are coming in the future, and brokers as well. Thank you for choosing Autotrade Star, and have a good day.